been in the fashion industry for many, many years, although he's very young. And usually, we don't expect fashionistas or fashion people or people of the fashion industry to be involved in spiritual endeavors or to be spiritual. But when I met Eric, he really took me off to another level. He really blew my mind because Eric is a wonderful fashion icon in our wonderful country of Malaysia. On top of that, he's a very warm and nice person. I'm not saying that because I'm here wanting an autograph from him. I'm telling you the truth. He's a very nice and wonderful and warm person. And you can see he got that from his mother here. Are you finished posing with the book? I think Madam Chung here is very proud. Because if you've noticed, she has not moved. She's been... This is the best model of the evening. So, I met Eric a few years back, and we started talking, and we started exchanging, and I was giving a few talks and sharing about spiritual aspirations and about Buddhism and all these kind of things. And Eric started listening, and Eric started getting involved, and over the years, we've become quite good friends. About a year back, I told Eric that he's had a very unique life, and he's had a very interesting life, and he's had a difficult life, and he's gone through so many obstacles that we can all relate to. And the Malaysian fashion industry, Malaysian fashion scene is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And so Eric is one of these people who's making it very big and putting us on the fashion map on this planet. So I thought it would be very interesting for someone like him to share his story and to tell us who he is and tell us what he went through and to explain that nothing in life is easy, but it's also attainable. So about a year ago, I asked Eric to please write a book about himself, about who he is, who his parents are, where he came from, and what's his story, and to interweave it for today's people with a little bit of spiritualism inside. Why? All of us need that. All of us need a dab of spiritualism. So that's exactly what Eric did, and he came out with this wonderful book. And I must say that I'm very, very proud of Eric for getting this book out, taking time out from his busy schedule, writing this book, and creating this kind of awareness. So I'm here to congratulate my good friend, fashionista and award-winning Eric Chung for his book. And from my heart, I am very, very proud of Eric for what he has done and what he's contributing. Why? He's bringing fashion to another level, and also he's sharing with all of us what he has gone through. And on top of that, he is bringing spiritualism into the fashion world. As I've said, although I am a Buddhist teacher, whatever religion we are, whatever faith we are, whether we are the beautiful faith of Islam, or Christian, or Hindu, or Buddhist, or Sikh, it doesn't really matter. The most important thing is that we understand each other as humans. We understand each other's faith, we understand each other's beliefs. When we understand each other, we can respect each other. When we can respect each other, we'll have a much more harmonious and happy society. So today I want to offer my most heartiest congratulations to Eric for this wonderful book. This is a wonderful kata offering to Eric for all this wonderful work.